Hello, today in this video we will learn how to edit data from MySQL database using jQuery in PHP. This is the first part for edit. In the previous video we have seen how to delete data from MySQL database using jQuery in PHP. So if you have not seen this video, then you can watch the video by clicking on the above eye icon, and I will provide the link in this video description box. Okay, so first click the delete and my data is deleted. So go to VS Editor and we will first make change to the table.php page. First add edit button, where new row, go to this td, write class equal to single quotation open and close, write button hyphen container and open button class equal to single quotation open and close edit hyphen button data hyphen id equal to single quotation and double quotation, write plus row dot id plus double quotation and single quotation close, and write edit and button close. Save. Go to browser, reload the page. Okay, sorry, no data is filed. Devjit submit. Okay, reload the table page. Save. Edit. Here, when I click the edit button, then one model is open, their name and email show. I cannot add one extra .php page. Is the same page open one model after clicking the edit button. So go to table.php page, and after table tag close, we write the model div id equal to double quotation open and close edit model class equal to double quotation open and close model div class equal to model hyphen content span plus equal to double quotation open and close, write close id equal to close hyphen model dollar times span tag close h2 edit user /h2 div close class equal to double quotation form group label for equal to double quotation open and close edit hyphen name label tag close and input type equal to text id equal to edit hyphen name placeholder not need placeholder and copy this div and paste for email label for email and id input id edit email and div one button for update. This video only fetch the data and show the form. Next video I will provide the update code class equal to open and close update hyphen button id equal to double open and close update hyphen button update slash button save. Now write skip code for get value and open the model. Okay, after load data we write this code comment open model. First open the edit model when the edit button is clicked dollar double quotation has table data is data hyphen table copy and paste here dot on double quotation open and close click comma double quotation open close dot edit button go to var new row edit button class name for edit and pass here comma function var id equal to dollar this dot data double quotation id. Next get the name and email data for the selected row. Her name equal to dollar this dot close set close st double quotation tr dot find double quotation td colon int hyphen child 2. First is id, second id is name for int child 2 dot text and semicolon. After semicolon, copy this line and paste for email. And child 3. Now populate the edit modal with the data dollar double quotation open and close has go to form and id is edit hyphen name, copy and pass here dot val pass here name and copy this line and paste. Change the name email. Save. Now show the edit modal dollar double quotation has edit hyphen modal. Edit hyphen modal is modal id dot show save and here semicolon. Now close the edit modal when the X alphabet or outside the modal is clicked. Okay. Dollar double quotation open and close has close hyphen modal. This id close hyphen modal span id copy and pass here dot comma dot modal dot on double quotation open and close click comma function dollar double quotation open and close slash edit hyphen modal dot hide and here semicolon. Next, prevent the modal from closing when the form is clicked. Dollar double quotation open and close dot modal hyphen content dot on double quotation click comma function pass e dot stop propagation stop here semicolon save and reload the web page. Okay, one error here, insert same. Okay, reload. Here not semicolon, symbol is here and save and reload the page. Okay. Now click the edit. Say debit. Okay, and delete. Okay, first and insert new data here. Usmita. gmail.com and submit and reload the page. Okay, now click the edit button and Usmita da and usmita@gmail.com. okay, here dollar. Okay, fine. Then here go to the editor and here ampersand, save and reload the edit. Okay, this way you can edit or you can fetch the particular row data on the form using jQuery. Thank you.